Northwest High School has two show choirs. Varsity is 14 Karat Gold, while JV is Bella Voce. They have been preparing for their show since August. Let's go see how they're preparing for the year.
I prepare before each show by listening to some music, and we also do a thing called quiet time in our group where we listen to a certain song and we breathe and we just kind of recenter ourselves of the busy show choir day and just get prepared for our performance we're about to do.
We normally prepare by getting into costume, and then we warm up normally, and then we set our costumes off stage, and we know where they are and just make sure everything is set out so we know where to go.
The role I play in the show choir is I'm a spirit leader, so I have to keep the morale up for the group, and we also plan special activities like we just did a Christmas party and keep the motivation up and keep us going throughout the whole year.
The role I play in the show is I'm the host in the beginning, so I have like this sparkly jacket that I get to wear, and I come out on to the red carpet and I strike a pose and everyone's cheering, and it's just super fun.
14 Karat Gold is a very competitive team who are passionate about what they do. Each person has an important role to make the show successful.
My favorite part of the whole show is when Molly comes out in her big dress and we have some people come out beneath her dress. It's a really fun number.
My favorite part of the show is probably the opener when we're all all the celebrities are in the back row and they're all posing, and Britney Spears has this big snake that she wears, and I just find it so cool to see everyone get into character.
I balance school and show choir by using my time wisely. I have to do assignments, try and get them done on time, but I have to work ahead.
I always put aside to balance school and show choir. I always put aside time to do choreo and work on music, and I make sure I have enough time to get homework done.
Show choir just started their competition seasons for each group. The next home invite is Gold Rush on February 7th. We encourage you Vikings to show up and support. We wish them the best of luck.